Hey guys! Now, in the past few lessons, we've gone over how to build a skyscraper in conceptual mass mode, which is one way that you can create amorphous shapes in Revit. Now, if you're just interested in turning your wall, there are other ways to do that. What we worked on before shows us an extreme case of using conceptual mass mode. It really shows what Revit's capable of. So if we go now into level 1, alright, I just drew a wall. Where is that? Okay, and I'll go ahead and delete that. Walls may normally can't be turned any way that we want, just because of their inherent properties. So if I go back into elevation view, you can see that also. So you can see the wall right there. And even if we try, we can't actually rotate this wall. And let me actually move it out of the way, so I can demonstrate this even more clearly. So we just cannot rotate this. But what we can do is create a temporary conceptual mass mode in the project. So if we go up to the Massing and Site tab, we can choose In Place Mass. And this basically brings your conceptual mode into your project. So in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a box, and I'm going to make it just like this. And I'll actually go into my 3D view so you can see how this differs from a normal wall. So I've got my 4 lines, and now I'll click Create Form. So from this form, I now have my box. And now with this box, just like we attached to a face, we can actually now go in and delete a face. And that gives us an angle. So now that we've got that, we can click Finish Mass. Now what I'm going to do is go to the Architecture tab. I'll go to Wall, and then choose Wall by Face, and then click on that angular face. So now that we've built that wall, if I go ahead and delete the mass, well, now you can see that that actually gives us the slanted wall we were looking for. So as you can see, while one use of conceptual mass mode is to go in and create an entire amorphic shape, you can also use it more simply as an in-place mass. Now what's great about masses is that you can manipulate them. So if I go back and choose that mass, and select Edit in Place, I can manipulate my mass in any way that I need. For instance, bringing this corner down. But now if I hit Finish Mass, you'll notice that the mass has adjusted, but my wall doesn't shift to conform with the mass. But if I choose my wall and click Update to Face, then it aligns with the mass. So anytime I make a change to a conceptual mass, I can then also manipulate my objects so that they follow that mass. And although for this example I've been using a wall, you can use it with other structure types as well, like floor plates or roof plates, because under the Architecture tab we have Roof by Face, and we also have Floor by Face. Revit lets you place a wide variety of objects by face, and so placing things by face really lets us use our conceptual mass mode to quickly create these amorphic shapes, quickly and easily letting you make a unique design. Alright, that covers it for conceptual mass mode and in-place mass mode. I'll see you in the next lesson.